We're about to help y'all learn y'all multiplication facts. You got this. Let's get it, y'all. Here we go.
Whoa, I got my timetables down.
Yeah. What them two at?
Whoa, I got my timetables down.
What them twos at, y'all?
2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 7 is 14. Keep it rolling, 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 rolling. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 10 is 20. And 2 times 11 is 22. 2 times 12 is 24. And now you've got the knack. When I pass the test, I'm gonna be the best. So keep it rolling, 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 rolling.
Whoa, I got my timetables down.
Oh, yeah. Come on. What the threes at?
Whoa, I got my timetables down.
What them threes at, y'all?
3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 7 is 21. Keep it rolling, 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 rolling. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 10 is 30. And 3 times 11 is 33. 3 times 12 is 36. And now you've got the knack. When I pass the test, I'm gonna be the best. So keep it rolling, 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 rolling.
Whoa, I got my timetables down.
Hey, we got the fours coming up. Quick. Better hit it.
Whoa, I got my timetables down.
Come on, we gonna get on these fours real quick.
4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. And 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. And 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. And keep it rolling, 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 rolling. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 10 is 40. And 4 times 11 is 44. 4 times 12 is 48. And now you've got the knack. When I pass the test, I'm gonna be the best. So keep it rolling, 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 rolling.
Whoa, I got my timetables down.
Now where my fives at, y'all? We on 5. Come on.
Whoa, I got my timetables down.
Fives on the floor right now. Come on, fives. Here we go.
5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. And 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. And 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. Keep it rolling, 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 rolling. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50. And 5 times 11 is 55. 5 times 12 is 60. And now you've got the knack. When I pass the test, I'm gonna be the best. So keep it rolling, 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 rolling.
Whoa, I got my timetables down.
6 is the next number we own. Come on now if you're coming.
Whoa, I got my timetables down.
I know y'all got some 6s in you. Come on. Recite them 6s for me.
6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. And 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. And 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 7 is 42. And keep it rolling, 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 rolling. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 10 is 60. And 6 times 11 is 66. 6 times 12 is 72. And now you've got the knack. When I pass the test, I'm gonna be the best. So keep it rolling, 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 rolling.
Whoa, I got my timetables down.
7 is the number, y'all. Come on, you gotta pay attention one time.
Whoa, I got my timetables down.
On 7s. Come on, 7. Let's do it.
7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. And 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 5 is 35. And 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 7 is 49. Keep it rolling, 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 rolling. 9 is 63. 7 times 10 is 70. And 7 times 11 is 77. 7 times 12 is 84. And now you've got the knack. When I pass the test, I'm gonna be the best. So keep it rolling, 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 rolling.
Whoa, I've got my timetables down.
Oh, we got 8. Coming on straight one time.
Whoa, I got my timetables down.
8. Come on with them 8s. Yeah, we got it. Let's go.
8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. And 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. And 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 7 is 56. And keep it rolling, 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 rolling. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 9 is 72. 8 times 10 is 80. And 8 times 11 is 88. 8 times 12 is 96. And now you've got the knack. When I pass the test, I'm gonna be the best. So keep it rolling, 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 rolling.
Whoa, I've got my timetables
9
down.
now's the number, y'all. Come on. We got 9s. Hit it.
Whoa, I got my timetables down.
9 one time. Come on. Let's do it with the 9s now.
9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. And 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45. And 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 7 is 63. And keep it rolling, 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 rolling. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times 10 is 90. And 9 times 11 is 99. 9 times 12 is 108. And now you've got the knack. When I pass the test, I'm gonna be the best. So keep it rolling, 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 rolling.
Whoa, I got my timetables down.
10. We ready to win with 10. Everybody ready? Let's go.
Whoa, I got my timetables
We on 10,
down.
y'all. We on 10. 10. Ready to win. Come on.
10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. 10 times 3 is 30. And 10 times 4 is 40. 10 times 5 is 50. 10 times 6 is 60. 10 times 7 is 70. Keep it rolling, 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 rolling. 10 times 8 is 80. 10 times 9 is 90. 10 times 10 is 100. And 10 times 11 is 110. 10 times 12 is 120. And now you've got the knack. When I pass the test, I'm gonna be the best. So keep it rolling, 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 rolling.
Whoa, I got my timetables down.
11. 11 is the number you've got to keep up with.
Whoa, I got my timetables down.
11. Come on with them 11s. You know what to do. Ha!
11 times 1 is 11. 11 times 2 is 22. 11 times 3 is 33. And 11 times 4 is 44. 11 times 5 is 55. And 11 times 6 is 66. 11 times 7 is 77. Keep it rolling, 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 rolling. 11 times 8 is 88. 11 times 9 is 99. 11 times 10 is 110. 11 times 11 is 121. 11 times 12 is 132. And now you've got the knack. When I pass the test, I'm gonna be the best. So keep it rolling, 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 rolling.
Whoa, I got my
Oh my God,
timetables
we on
down.
12. It's 12 already. We made it, y'all. Let's do it.
Whoa, I got my timetables
We gotta finish
down.
strong with the 12s. Here we go. One time. Let's do it.
12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. And 12 times 4 is 48. 12 times 5 is 55. And 12 times 6 is 72. 12 times 7 is 84. Keep it rolling, 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 rolling. 12 times 8 is 96. 12 times 9 is 108. 12 times 10 is 120. And 12 times 11 is 132. 12 times 12 is 144. And now you've got the knack. When I pass the test, I'm gonna be the best. So keep it rolling, 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 rolling.
Whoa, I got my
That's
timetables
what you got.
down.
You got your timetables down. That's what I'm talking about.
Whoa, I got my
Now you
timetables
got your
down.
timetables down and you repeat after me. Let's go.
Whoa,
I got my timetables down, y'all.
down.
I got my timetables down, y'all.
Whoa,
Nobody touch me, I'm about to ace